Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another rigged recap. It is Wednesday, March 26th, 2025, and we have a bear trend. It goes down, it goes down. You think it's going to stop going down. Nope. Little bounce at the end, 2 strikes higher. But look, the system worked perfectly. Check, minus 3.77. Bears, BL to minus 2. Or after 1 strike swing and above the strike. Okay, so you get this notification, the CTE, right here at 10:30. You're down $3.77 from the blue line. Okay, well, what happens next? Retest 488, and then you get that 1 strike swing. Because you're going from 488 above to 489. This bear comes in at 11:05. You get a KTR, you get another KTR. That is the signal. After a 1+ strike swing, above the strike. You got a 1 strike swing. This is above the 489 strike, and bang, 670% max gain. 415% max gain, 533. Really, we said it in the chat, like, you catch that, you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to trade the rest of the session. But if you did, if you were there, what happens next? We nuke 6 strikes below. You'll notice it says extreme bear risk, swing or nuke to close. You get another 1 strike swing. KTR, bang, 326% return. And this is it, guys. Like, when these bears come in right here, you're looking at what's happened. Turn this off. Okay, we just moved down 1, 2, 3 strikes. This is late. We can wait until you get 1 strike higher. KTR fills. It's a perfect trade. There's no loss. It just goes down from there. And this pattern obviously repeats itself, right? We nuke down 1, 2 more. You get a bounce. I mean, if you take this KTR above the strike again, anywhere in here above 485, you got paid. We find a new low, 9 strikes below, here at the end of the session at 483. That was the end of it. Small pump to end it. Ultimately, we're telling you, bear trend possible. Bears, BL to minus 2. We were a little bit lower. After a 1 strike swing above the strike, that's the system. You get the alerts, and you win. That's copy trading Wall Street. This is just what Wall Street loves to do. They did it, and if you followed the instructions right there for you, the worst mistake you could have made was taking 100% when it went, 500, 363, if you just bought that and walked away. That is what's possible using rigged AI. SPY, very similar. The swing, not even 1 strike. But it's one of those things where, hey, you could see Q nuking. We're below the blue line. You don't get back to the blue here from like 10:30 to like 11:30. I like to call it the window. That doesn't happen. It's going down. It is going down. Bulls here, way too early. Way too early. KTR, perfect. You do get some nice alerts down here. When we look at the bulls, as someone who likes to trade these primarily, not a bad trade here in the red. But the thing to remember, the thing to keep in your head, this is a down move. We are below the blue line. anytime you take a trade in here, I mean, this is a beautiful setup, right? Wall Street is setting up for it to go higher. But when you break above 571 and it does not fly to 572, get out of it. And you had 1229, you had about 10 minutes. I mean, even if you count to here, you had 20 minutes. If it doesn't just fly, it is going to continue in the same direction. The other thing to notice is, volume's picking up right here. This move from 75% to 89%, that is massive. That is telling us follow the price action. And once again, if you take any of these bears above the strike, I mean, it's like, okay, this is late. You just moved down 1, 2, almost 3. Let me use KTR, where this thing draws down to when it wins. And boom, that's 300%, 124 buying and holding. Once again, okay, this win rate is ridiculous. It's going to go down because they did not return 100% today. But, KTR again, above the strike. Wait for it. Boom, you get it. Down here, finally got a win for the Bulls. Not bad, but not great either. Anytime you're trading against the trend and we're this far below the blue line, it has to win instantly or get out of it. We broke even on like 1 billion trades trying to catch the pump that didn't really happen. Overall, this is a bear trend session. Called it out in Discord today. You can see it in the Furu chat that we were overdue after 2 days of pumping on abysmal volume. And this is beautiful. There's nothing better than 1030 check giving you exactly what to do. It happens exactly how it's written. You never draw down and you make 500%. If you're a gangster, 300% if you bought and held, or probably most likely you took your 100% and ran with it and cried a little bit because it just kept going down. Beautiful session, shaping up to be an incredible week. Let's keep the momentum going, keep encouraging each other. Let's just keep winning. How does that sound? Let's keep winning. Have a great day wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you all tomorrow.